This tutorial will demonstrate how to change holes in a part to have a centerline mark, which creates crosshairs. This is an imported SAT file. The first step is to open the file. Here we can see the part. It is a 1/2 inch flat bar, and these holes are 5/16 of an inch. If these holes were cut with plasma, taper would occur towards the bottom, preventing a bolt from passing through. Instead, the required operation is to drill these holes, which necessitates a center mark. This result can be achieved not by changing the feature, but by changing only the tool path. With crosshairs in the center, the part can be center punched. The hole size can also be determined by measuring the radius. We will now delete the machining. Normally, a tool path would be visible circumscribing the hole, indicating the cutting line. To achieve this result, navigate to Configure, then to the System tab. Select Material Thickness Dependent Data. Since the material is 1/2 inch, it falls within this thickness range. You can add more ranges to add greater definition to the configuration. If a rule is desired exclusively for the 1/2 inch range, you can add a new entry. Specify the range as just under and just over a 1/2 inch for thickness 1 and thickness 2, respectively. We will delete that for this demonstration. However, adding more definitions allows you to change how the part is cut, including compensation, lead-in, technology behavior, and end cuts for a specific material thickness. Navigating to Technology opens this window. Under Automatic Technology, the system determines the cut speed for the hole. You have the option to either cut or mark it. Based on the radius of a hole, you can set the operation to be cut, marked, not cut, pierced, or dot marking. Dot marking will not be used. The typical options are cutting, marking, or no cut. For this operation, we will set it to marking. The options at the bottom pertain to this marking feature. By default, this checkbox is unchecked. We will now check it. This value represents the total size of the crosshairs from one side to the other. To match the hole size, we will set this value to 5/16. From this drop-down menu, you may choose your preferred option. In this instance, we will use the bottom option to define our hole size. Click OK and then OK again. The next time automatic machining is run, it will reference these features to define the toolpaths on these holes. This configuration is now active for all subsequent operations. To revert to a standard cutting toolpath for this thickness range and hole size, you must reverse the process. Navigate back through Configuration, System, Material Thickness Dependent Data, and Technology, and change the setting back to cutting. This will restore the original behavior. This is the resulting output. You will get crosshairs, and one quadrant of the hole will be marked, providing your center point. Next, return to Home, Save and Return, and then you may nest this part as normal. If multiple parts are present, you can highlight them, delete the machining, and then reapply the machining. Alternatively, with multiple parts, you can perform automatic machining after nesting the parts, which will yield the same result. To verify this, enter the part and navigate to the Machining tab. You will see the part marks and the corresponding toolpaths. This is the procedure for creating crosshairs. As stated previously, this setting will apply from this point forward.